So guys, 2 weeks ago, Rocky and I harvested some guavas.
And I shared some rather interesting guava facts, including the benefits of guavas. And on Sunday, I used the leftovers from that harvest to show you guys how to make this very, very delicious guava drink.
We still have some leftovers, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very delicious guava jam done homemade Jamaican style. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Earth's Medicine, the channel that introduces you to the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. So we're not going to waste any time, guys. Let's jump right into making that jam.
There you have it, guys. Jamaican guava jam. Just a reminder that cane sugar, which is one of the ingredients in this jam, is still sugar. So if you're watching your sugar intake for whatever reason, be mindful of this and pay attention to portion size. I like to have my guava jam with good old Excelsior water crackers. How do you prefer yours? Please leave a comment in the comment section.